Good day, everyone. My name is Sir Justin, and today we'll be exploring the network layer introduction, a critical component of the OSI model that enables communication between different networks. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a better understanding of how data travel across the internet and the devices that make this possible. Let's begin with our learning objectives. By the end of this session, you should be able to explain the key function of the network layer along with the important protocols such as IP and ICMP and devices such as routers and layer 3 switches associated with it. Second, illustrate the placement and role of network layer devices such as routers and layer 3 switches in a simple network diagram. And lastly, appreciate the importance of network layer in enabling communication across different networks. Before we dive deeper, let's clarify some essential terms. First, OSI model or Open System Interconnection. It is a framework with 7 layers that standardize network function. Second, network layer. This is the third layer in the OSI model responsible for routing, forwarding, and addressing. Third, data link layer. Just below the network layer, it handles physical addressing and error detection. Fourth, transport layer. One level above, responsible for reliable data transfer between applications. Next is logical addressing. This refers to assigning unique IP addresses to devices. Next is routing algorithms. These determine the best path for data travel. Third is packet forwarding, transmitting data from one device to another. And lastly, ICMP, a protocol used for network diagnosis. Next is IP version 4 and IP version 6. These are the two versions of the Internet Protocol, with IP version 6 being the newer one. Layer 3 switch. It is a hybrid device or a type of switch that can perform both switching and routing function. The network layer is positioned above the data link layer and below the transport layer in the OSI model. Its main job is to route, forward, and address data packets to ensure they arrive at the correct destination across various networks. Now let's break down the key functions. First is logical addressing. It assigns IP addresses so that devices can communicate across networks. Second, routing. It chooses the best path for data to travel using protocols like OSPF and BGP. Next is packet forwarding. It ensures packets are passed through intermediate devices like routers to reach their target. When data packets are too large for a network link, the network layer handles fragmentation, breaking data into smaller pieces. At the destination, it performs reassembly. And lastly, error reporting and diagnostics are handled via ICMP or Internet Control Message Protocol, which powers tools like ping to check network health and connectivity. The key protocols you should remember are IP version 4 and IP version 6 for addressing and delivering packets. ICMP, which is crucial for error handling and diagnostics. These are the devices that operate at the network layer, including router. These are the backbone of the inter-network communication. Layer 3 switches. These combine the speed of switching with the intelligence of routing. So that concludes our presentation on the network layer. I hope this gave you a clear overview of how data travels across networks and the role that this OSI layer plays. Thank you for your attention. Again, this is Sir Justin. Have a good one.